How do you do, everybody? This is my love from Africa to you.
When you are there, you do not plunder, you protect. When you do not, you plunder. Because your mission is to accumulate and take something before somebody else. That concept of accumulation and privatization is responsible for our failure to recognize that we are required to take what we need from the environment and leave the rest for future generations.
Hi, we're here from RPTV, and would you like to introduce yourselves for us?
My name is Linda Nurse, and I'm a member of AWA.
I'm Sonia Amy Odua, and I'm a member of African Women Acting, AWA.
All right, so tell us a little bit about the African Women's Acting.
It is an organization that is established to empower women and to promote artists, women especially, but all arts, all disciplines, and to just bring awareness to people of the African culture.
The vision, as Linda said, is geared towards promoting, empowering, and producing the work of African women artists involved in music, dance, theater, and visual arts. AWA is located right here at Daniel Spectrum at one of the offices of the CSI, Center for Social Innovation. And one of the beautiful things about, having our office in this neighborhood is that it allows, opportunity for networking with various organizations.
How does it teach about African culture?
Okay. It teaches a lot about African culture because we going back to our African roots, to starting from our folks, folk music, folk traditional dances, the African way of doing the theater, which is the African theater, which a lot of people don't know about. And we believe that reconnecting to your heritage, to your cultural heritage, really enriches you as well. So, and then we implement it to our today's experience, about life, about Toronto, about Canada, about the people we're working with. But the root is African cultural heritage. We have series of activities during the year. We have the African Women Theater Group, and we have the music group. We have the theater group, which has been touring schools starting from the last Black History Month, and we are about to launch Nuit des Femmes, which is a series which give the platform for African women artists and is also open to other women, of course, to showcase their talent, to try a new piece of music, a new piece of dance, a new piece of theater, spoken words, and to also showcase, exhibit a new piece of artwork, of visual artwork. So, these are the activities we're doing, and to crown it all, we have an annual event, which is the AWA Festival, African Women Artist Festival, that brings together these women artists with their various artistic disciplines to celebrate their work and, to share it with the general public.
Yes,
Yeah.
I would like to add that there are also a number of workshops, so there's a strong element of mentorship in this organization as well. So that's very important to remember.
We had a moment of a seminar, or we want to call it, on attitude and expectations of African women artists in Toronto. And during that meeting, we were able to talk about, because we usually don't have time to talk about our skills, our challenges. So that was the moment to talk about our challenges as African women in the arts in Toronto. And seeing my point of view as an international artist coming from Italy, sharing with the artist who's been here for many years and doing this professionally, and members of AWA who's been hungry for this, it's really opened our vision, our horizons about the issue, the challenges which African women artists are facing in Toronto. And that was a bit a sort of emotion for us, but then it's open doors, it opens our vision broader, to know that really there is a need for there is a mentorship that has to be done for the women, as for empowerment, as for, working together, producing together to make sure there is a solid foundation.
Anything you want to add?
I think that just about covers it. There is so much to do and to look forward to with AWA, and there's so much to gain from it, and that's why I'm so proud to be a member of it, because there is so much to learn, and I want to learn more about African culture. I want to share more about African culture, and so it's a very rewarding experience for me.
Right. How can people participate with AWA?
Oh, you want to?
Well, the membership is open. There is a small fee, but yes, people are welcome to look on the website. We do have a website, www.africanwomenacting.org, and they can learn more about the organization and find out how to become members.
All right. There you have it.